In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop pop-up notifications from Exness Trade app. So if you're receiving a lot of notifications from this app or this trading platform, then the best thing you need to do is to go ahead and turn them off permanently. So if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking this video and also by subscribing to my channel. My name is Isaac and this is A Minute with AI. Now let's get into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to go and look for settings. Now for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be the same on any other Android smartphone. Now from here, go ahead and look for apps and then look for this option called Manage Apps. On some Android smartphones, it might be written All Apps. So go ahead and tap on it. This will open all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From the list, proceed and look for Exness Trading app. And here is our app. Go ahead and tap on it to open. Now, as you can see, we are on the app information page, and this is the most important part to apply these settings. So if you're finding a problem or a challenge to get to this app information page, let me show you a shortcut method to get here. From your app here, just go ahead and long press on it, and then you'll see this option called App Info. So if you go ahead and tap on it, it will still take you to the same app information page like the other one. So from here, scroll down until you get to the notification section, and as you can see, notifications are turned to yes, and that's the reason why this app has been showing a lot of notifications. So if I go ahead and tap on it, you can see all the types of notifications have been turned on. You can proceed and start turning off each and every one of these. However, you can turn them all at once by just toggling this show notification option off. If you toggle on that, now you can see all the notifications have been turned off. From now, you'll never again see pop-up notifications coming from Exness Trading app. So that's how you permanently stop pop-up notifications from Exness Trading app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.